Good morning from Grand Family Farm. I'm not for sure why Odo left you laying here in Mom's chair. She's not going to be happy if you pee on it. Have to take the little goat outside, see if the little goat's got to use the bathroom. You did last night for me. Well, he's outside, sniffing around. The big goats older goats are wondering why this guy's invading their space. He sure is a cutie. Hey, did his business. Come on, little goat. Come on, goat. Come on, goat. Come on. Whoop, you went the wrong way. Come on, go, 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 go. Come on, goat. Come on, goat. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come here, little guy. You're letting the heat out of the house. Come on. Well, warmed up, so I put the little goat outside with the other goats. And he's been playing on this piece of wood here, jumping on and off. Spent a little time inside the house. Took a nap. The girls act like they're going to headbutt him, so he's kind of keeping his distance. Okay, heading down to feed the pigs and the chickens. It's been a cold one most of the day. The sun's trying to come out. Comes out a little bit here and there. Okay, the dogs want to go see if they can catch a mouse or not. Got a lot less mice now. Whoa, there's going right there. You guys missed it. Alright, Harold. Why are you so noisy? Well, everybody's fed. Got 10 eggs today. Of course, they're in the mud, not in the nesting box where they belong. Well, this is a first in a long time. All 4 of the babies are with Mama. Harold's got all the food to himself. Oh, Harold. Harold! Good. What do you got for me? Yeah, these pigs are all happy. They got their grain and their alfalfa. I'm gonna have to head back up to the house and get a shovel. Got a grain bag that's leaking and I gotta put it all in a bucket. Hey, they're always playing right in the way. I got my shovel, head back down here and clean up that mess in that grain bag. I tell you, I'm gonna run them over. Okay, I got the floor clean bag up, got the grain put away, and so everybody's fed. Got me a flake here for the goats. They're kind of crying, wanting better food than just the grass. I don't know about the little guy. He was nibbling on the grass hay earlier. Alright, girls. Got some alfalfa, don't you? There you go. The little boy must be in the house. There he is. He's hiding from the wind. Missing out on this great alfalfa here. Okay, the baby's in the house now getting fed his milk. Odo's been working on one ton. He put a fuel pressure regulator on it, and he's working on repairing a fuel pump in the front tank because that was replaced and they didn't last one trip, I think, before it broke. So trying another one. And if it all works out, when we get back from our trip from Juniper, we'll probably put another fuel pump in the rear tank. Well, it's a little after 5 p.m. The wind's blowing. It's cold out here. Got all my chores done. So I'm going to call it a day. Go in the house and get warm. Well, thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.